Stadium. It's called Stade de France. Stade de France. This is where all the World Cup and UEFA League and all the major matches. France has been a couple of times the world champions also. They are held here, football and rugby. You know, football is very big in Europe. It's religion. It's bigger than what cricket is in India. It's much bigger. There are fights over matches. इतना तो इंडिया में भी पागलबंदी हो, like between clubs and all that. So this is the National Football Stadium. This stands in an area. This area is called Saint Denis, which is just outside the city center of Paris. Saint Denis. France also hosts one of the. So that is the National Football Stadium, and we are very soon coming on to the peripheric. Peripheric means nowadays violent. Sometimes it's worse than New York. Pickpocketing, violence, and everything. A lot in Paris nowadays. In the last 2 years, has become very bad.
Relax.
And there was also an Indian Army contingent that had taken part in the parade. There was a contingent flowing from India, Army contingent, which took part in the parade celebration of the Republic Day of France. It was a matter of great honor for that. Seatbelts, there is a fine of 150-200 euros per person which you pay. Huh? Please don't stand up. Take sitting, please.
Fast right.
तुम्हारा हाथ आने पास सारे मैं तो सही नहीं सकती
Sorry.
जा सकते हैं
So there you see the Arc of Triumph. Underneath that, of course, in the day you can't really see the flame. It is burning, but in the daylight you can't. Where the group of people is standing under the arch, that is where the flame is. With the flowers, you might see the flowers with garlands. That is the tomb of the unknown soldier, the Arc of Triumph. We will go around to the main street, the Champs-Élysées. Don't worry, at least those who are going in the evening, don't stress yourself. You'll get a chance to take a Qatar now. This is the Qatar embassy. This one on the left with the black railing that you see in the front. This is on the left hand side. Samne. And then you have all the buildings. These used to be residences at one time, but of course not anymore. Things all in one line. All multi-storied buildings, 5 stories. Standard 5 stories with the sloping asphalt roofs, all in one line. Similar kind of architecture, made in different times, but looks are the same. On the left and the right, the center is the obelisk, the Sphinx, the obelisk. The President of France sits on a stage. When we get there, I'll show you. on the Place de la Concorde and takes the salute of the army. Won the football World Cup and all the parade. You might have seen on TV a few years back. They became the champions also. Even bad demonstrations couple of years ago, you might have again seen on.
Sorry, check.
You must understand, I am Lena Bank. I am not Dena Bank.
Check.
Okay?
Check. Sorry. Check.
All the rich people of the revolution, including the king and the queen, and about 1500 noble royal families, they were killed in this square. About 1500 of them. Go, you see on the right, you will see, we take a left turn. The pillars with the flags, French flags, that is the Assembly Nationale, Parliament House. The Gandhi topis of France sit here. The Hotel Clio on the left, 5-star hotel, administration building. On the evening, we will also take a photo stop here, don't worry. With the beautiful fountains. On the right, you see now, is the gardens. They are called the Tuileries Gardens. They are now Magdalene, Our Lady of Magdalene Church. Magdalene Church. This was also built by Napoleon. Magdalena. He liked.
Dutch. And you can even scan the QR code with your smartphone and listen to it with your earplugs. The commentary will start at the Pont de l'Alma, the Alma Bridge, and I invite you to put your geolocalization identifications as soon as we pass close to a monument. The restrooms are located indoors under the information point, and I will close. Signore e signori, buonanotte per rispetto parisien. Di sera passeremo a Banca 20 da queste e descopriremo con musica di fondo lo principale.
Check.